Okay. It is the problem. Change the order of the integration in integral with the limit 0 to 1, integral with the limits x square to 2 minus x, xy dx dy, and hence evaluate the double integral. Okay. Here we can observe that the limits of inner integration are in terms of x. Therefore, we have to consider them as y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2 minus x. Therefore, this will become as x equals to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, x equals to 0, x equals to 1, y is equal to x square, y is equal to 2 minus x, x plus y is equal to 2 give region of integration. Now take xy plane. This is y axis, this is x axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is xy plane. Okay. Now we have to draw the curve y is equal to x square in this xy plane. Therefore, corresponding to y is equal to x square, the points are given by when x is equal to 0, y value is 0 square is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y value is 1. When x is equal to minus 1, y value is minus 1. Whole square is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2, y value 2 square is equal to 4. When x is equal to minus 2, y value is minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Therefore, corresponding ordinates are 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 4, minus 2, 4. Now, let us identify these points on xy plane. First point is 0, 0. Second point is 1, 1. Third one is minus 1, 1, and 2, 4, minus 2, 4. Connect the points. Therefore, this is the curve y is equal to x square or x is equal to root y. Now let us take this curve y is equal to 2 minus x on xy plane. Now corresponding to y is equal to 2 minus x, when x is equal to 0, y become 2. Therefore, ordinate is 0, 2. And when y is equal to 0, x will be 2. Therefore, ordinate is 2, 0. Now we have to identify these 2 points on xy plane. 0, 2 is here. 2, 0 is here, and 0, 2 is here. Okay. Therefore, straight line will be passing through these 2 points. Okay. The points. Now, this is our required region of integration. Okay, this region is bounded by two lines and a curve. What are the lines? This line is y is equal to 0. This line is x plus y is equal to 2, and this curve is y is equal to x square, or x is equal to root y. X is equal to root y. Now, as per the given problem, x is moving from 0 to 1. X is moving from 0 to 1, and for a fixed value of x, y value is moving from this curve to this line. Let us take a strip. This strip is moving from y is equal to x square to x is equal to root y. Therefore, this strip is vertical. Therefore, as per the given problem, your strip is vertical. Okay. To change the order of integration, we have to change this strip, this vertical strip, into horizontal strip. Okay. Therefore, we change the vertical line as horizontal line. There are two types of horizontal lines. One is moving from x is equal to 0 to this line, x is equal to 2 minus y, and another line is moving from x is equal to 0 to this curve, that is x is equal to root y. Therefore, there are two types of horizontal lines. One is moving from x equals to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y. Another one is moving from x equals to 0 to x is equal to root y. Okay. Here y is moving from 0 to 2. Y is moving from 0 to 2. For a fixed value of x, x is moving from x equals to 0 to x is equal to root y, and x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y. Let us consider a separation. Above this separation, horizontal line is moving from x equals to 0 to x is equal to root y, and below this separation, horizontal line will be lie in between x equals to 0 and x is equal to root y curve. Okay. Now, here boundary points are 0, 0, 0, 2, and we have to obtain this boundary point. This boundary point will be obtained by solving x plus y is equal to 2 and y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square and x plus y is equal to 2. On replacing, we get x plus x square is equal to 2, or x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to x square, x plus y is equal to 2. Replace y with x square. X plus x square is equal to 2. X plus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 1. When x is equal to minus 2, we get y is equal to 4. When x is equal to minus 2, we get y is equal to 2 plus 2, y is equal to 4. Therefore, ordinate is minus 2, 4. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 minus 1, y is equal to 1. Therefore, ordinate is 1, 1. In the positive quadrant, required ordinate is this one, 1, 1. Therefore, boundary point is identified as 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. In before problem, x is fixed. X is moving from 0 to 1. X is fixed. But in this diagram, in the before diagram, x is fixed and y is moving from this curve to this line. But in this diagram, y is moving from 0 to 2. Y is moving from 0 to 2, and for a fixed value of y, x is moving from x equals to 0 to this line above the separation, and below the separation x is moving from x equals to 0 to x is equal to root y. This curve x is equal to root y, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to root y, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y, 2 minus y. Therefore, after changing the order of integration will be of the in this form. Given integration is x equals to 0 to 1 x square to 2 minus x, y is equal to x square to 2 minus x, xy dx dy is equal to, after changing of order of integration, we get y is moving from y is equal to 0 to 1 and y is equal to 1 to 2. There are two integrations, so we have to separate integration. Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1 and x is moving from x equals to 0 to, below the separation, when 0 is moving from 0 to 1, when y is moving from 0 to 1, horizontal line is moving from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to root y, x is equal to root y. Okay, xy dx dy plus, when y is moving from 1 to y is moving to 2, and y is moving from 1 to 2, x is moving from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 0 to this line, x is equal to 2 minus y, xy dx dy. Okay, therefore given integration is x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to x square to 2 minus x, xy dx dy is equal to, when y is moving from 0 to 1, y is moving from 0 to 1, x is moving from x equals to 0 to this curve, x is equal to 0 to this curve, x is equal to root y, xy dx dy plus, when y is moving from 1 is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 to 2, x is moving from x equals to 0 to this line, x equals to 2 minus y, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y, xy dx dy. Therefore, we have to solve this integrations. First, we integrate inner integral with respect to x, and then with respect to y. Okay, in this way, x equals to 0 to x is equal to root y, xy dx dy plus xy is equal to 1 to 2, x equals to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y, xy dx with respect to x. Okay, now integration of x square by 2 with the limit 0 to root y, x square by 2 with the limits x equals to 0 to 2 minus y. We have to apply upper limit and lower limit. If we apply upper limit, x square root y whole square and y by 2 into y, here is y, into y dy plus y is equal to 1 to 2. We have to replace x with 2 minus y whole square by 2 into y dy, sorry, here is y dy 1 by 2 into y into y square 1 by 2 y square by 2. 1 by 2 is constant, and here 1 by 2 is constant. 2 minus y whole square into y into 4y minus 4y square plus y cube dy. Now we have to integrate these functions with respect to y. Integral value of y square is y cube by 3 with the limit 0 to 1. Integral value of 4 into 4 into y square by 2 minus 4 into y cube by 3 plus integral value of y cube y power of 4 by 4 with the limits 1 to 2. After applying the upper limit and lower limit, we get 3 by 8. Okay, 3 by 8 is the answer.